My record shows that at no point or time have I ever permitted my personal views or sympathies to influence an outcome of a case. In every case where I have identified a sympathy, I have articulated it and explained to the litigant why the law requires a different result.
Well, Judge,
I do not permit my sympathies, personal views, or prejudices to influence the outcome of my cases.
Well, you said something similar to that yesterday, that in each case I've applied the law to the facts at hand. But you've repeatedly made this statement, quote, I accept the proposition that a difference there will be by the presence of women and people of color on the bench, and that my experiences affect the facts I choose to see as a judge. First, that's troubling to me as a lawyer. When I present evidence, I expect the judge to hear and see all the evidence that gets presented. How is it appropriate for a judge ever to say that they will choose to see some facts and not others?
It's not a question of choosing to see some facts or another, Senator. I didn't intend to suggest that, and in the wider context, what I believe the point I was making was that our life experiences do permit us to see some facts and understand them more easily than others. But in the end, you're absolutely right. That's why we have appellate judges that are more than one judge, because each of us from our life experiences will more easily see different perspectives argued by parties. But judges do consider all of the arguments of litigants. I have. Most of my opinions, if not all of them, explain to parties why the law requires what it does.
Well, do you stand by your statement that my experiences affect the facts I choose to see?
No, sir, I don't stand by the understanding of that statement that I will ignore other facts or other experiences because I haven't had them. I do believe that life experiences are important to the process of judging. They help you to understand and listen, but that the law requires a result, and it will command you to the facts that are relevant to the disposition of the case.
Well, I would just note you've made that statement in individual speeches about 7 times over a number of years span, and it's concerning to me.